a beautiful forest, farm animals and wild animals lived together in harmony, looked after by a caring monkey and bear. One day, the monkey approached the bear with an idea.
Hey Bear, we have got instructions from head office to collaborate new party with all animals.
Okay, sir, I will do what you have said.
The bear agreed, and together, they went to invite the farm and wild animals to the celebration. Let's celebrate the new year today.
Let's celebrate the new year today,
Announced the bear. All the animals eagerly came out of their fences and gathered in the forest clearing. Together, they cut a large New Year's cake, shared laughter, and celebrated joyfully. The forest was filled with happiness as the animals, the monkey, and the bear welcomed the new year together.